So now the next step is to reassemble the head. So I'm going to put all these hydraulic lifters in the holes, put the roller arms on, and then put the camshafts on. So off camera, I went ahead and did the timing chain, and my camera died. However, there's a number of pretty good videos already about the timing chain. I'll link to those in the description. The biggest problem that I ran into was getting the chain over that aluminum boss down there. Getting one side of the chain to the right of it, and then the other side of the chain to the left of that. It's like a big nipple or something down there in the timing cover that I hadn't seen anybody talk about. Is there's a bolt right there, and that bolt screws into the top of the water pump, and it's a through hole, so there's no bottom to it. It just goes into the water pump. So what I did is I applied some silicone to the threads of that bolt and then torqued it down just to make sure that no coolant leaks up into the top of the valve cover here. So the next step here is I'm going to put the valve cover on, and I've already cleaned it up and got the new gasket on or in place. I've got the all the bolts cleaned up and the new grommets on them.